Welcome back. In the last video, you explored 3 different options for setting up your inbox. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how to create an automatic filter that can help you in organizing your records and information management emails while using Google Mail. Creating automatic filters or filter rules based on the labels you already created in the previous videos can help you in organizing your department's emails for your records and retention policy. Filters allow certain things to happen in an automated fashion without you needing to babysit your inbox all the time. With just a few simple clicks, you can take the clutter out of your inbox and prevent inbox overload. It is a 2-step process to create a customized and automatic filtering rule. In the first step, you set up a search criteria to filter the email by. This criteria could be by sender, subject, group, or by the message's contents. In the second step, you can then have the filtered email take a variety of actions, such as adding labels, archiving it, or marking the message as important. For example, based on the filter's criteria, a label can be automatically applied to any new incoming email. The label report can be automatically added to any email with the word report in the subject line, all before even clicking on the email. Now let's take a look at how filters work. Remember, I told you there was 3 different ways to access Google Mail's filters. No one way is better or worse than the other. You can choose the one that works best for you. Now, let's break the filter options down. Click on the gear icon, choose Settings, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. To get started in setting up an automatic filter, click on Create New Filter. The drop-down menu that opens is Step 1 noted earlier in the video, setting up the search criteria. We will add the word report to the subject line. Click on Create Filter with this search. The next drop-down window is Step 2. You are now going to choose what happens to the filtered email. In our example, we're going to choose to add the label report and always mark it as important. Here's a quick tip. More than one action can be applied to an email with a filter. An important option that you don't want to miss, clicking on the Also Apply filter to a number of matching conversations. Clicking on this option will find any old email that matches the report filter. This is a quick way to organize historical files and get them labeled according to your department's records and retention policies. The new filter can be seen on the list. Here you can access any filter that you have created to either edit or delete it. There it is. You'll now get a folder container in your label list with all the previous conversations automatically routed there. Then you can check it at your convenience. You will see a number in the parentheses. This means you have some unread emails for that label. For example, Final Records has 2 unread emails. If you ever wanted to change the settings or check to see which filters you're using, go to the Settings and choose the Filters tab. You can edit filters or delete them anytime. One last tip for you. If your department sets up filter rules, they can be shared with other employees in your department. The best way to do this? One person creates the filter rules and then shares with the others. This can be found under the Import/Export options of the advanced settings. What other tricks do you have for getting your email organized? Please share them in the comments below, and have a great day.